everybody, Chef Pete here. Thanks for stopping by. And today we're making grilled lamb burgers. But before we start grilling lamb burgers, I've got to make some veggies to go with it. So let's start with some veggies. And I always put potatoes on the bottom. And the reason is because you get these beautiful potatoes to cook very done and get a little crust on them. And we will like the crust. The crust is good for them. It doesn't hurt them at all. And as a matter of fact, it actually gives them a nice flavor when you put them on the grill like this on the bottom so that they can get nice and brown, okay? Grill this way and you get brown, beautiful veggies. So let's get them on here. So we're gonna start with our potatoes, but if you like, start in a different order. I just like the potatoes brown really well. And then I'm gonna get, I think I'm gonna get some onion on here next. And then we'll add some more potatoes on that. All right. Okay, and that is the grill telling me it's up to temp and it's good, okay? So let's get our onion here on top of our potatoes. There we go. Nice onion, beautiful yellow onions this time of year. Actually all the time, they come all year long, right? You can get yellow onion. So let's get some more potato on there, right on top of our onion. I'm gonna give it a little olive oil here. Here we go, little olive oil. Alrighty, let's get our other potato on here. All right, there we go. And if there's any brown spots or anything like that, just cut them right out. Get your potato on there so it's grilling nice. You might want to fan them out a little bit so that they're not going to be stuck together, right? We want to get them nice and cooked here. There we go. Okay, and I have another piece here. There we go. Okay, so now let's get some herbs on here. I'm gonna go, because I'm making lamb, we're gonna go Greek today. We're gonna go with some oregano, a little bit of pepper, just very light, okay, and some parsley, like this, because we're gonna put more veggies on here. I just got started. And then we're gonna go like that with some salt, okay? And a little more olive oil just so that they can start cooking good there, okay? All right, now remember, the part of grilling that we like to do is cover these later on when we get them all in there and we're mixing them up and everything so they can steam up, get a nice crust on the potatoes and the onions, and they'll be just fantastically delicious. Okay, so let's move on. While we've got these started, let's come back to our lamb. Now here's our lamb in the bowl, and I've got some beautiful breadcrumbs, some onion, an egg. I've got about a half pound of lamb because there's two of us. I've got some parsley, oregano, garlic. I'm going to give it just a little bit of salt, which I didn't do already. A little salt in here. And then I'm going to do lightly, we're going to mix this all up here. So I'm going to mix up all of our good stuff here. Our lamb, our onion, our herbs, spices, salt, pepper, everything here is getting mixed up now. And if you think it needs more, breadcrumbs, then put it by all means. I think this is just about right because remember, lamb has beautiful, tasty fat in there. And if you like lamb, you're gonna like these patties. Okay, so when we come back, we are going to get these lamb burgers on the other side of the grill and start to get them cooking and put more veggies down. Okay, so here we go. This is Peter Carpizzo's. We'll be back, continuing on our culinary journey here at Carpizzo's Kitchen. So this is Pete.